Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. Place tomatoes, water, and olive oil in a blender or food processor. Blend until smooth. Transfer tomato mixture to a large pot. Stir sugar, garlic salt, and vinegar into tomato mixture and bring to a boil. Pour tomato sauce into a clean blender or food processor no more than half full.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Add spoonsful of either cornstarch or flour, whichever is available in your pantry. You can add 1 spoon at first, and then stir it to see if it thickens in minutes. If needed, add some more, but don't add excess of either of them, as it can ruin the flavor.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Tomato paste is just tomatoes pureed and cooked down. We use tomato paste in this pizza sauce recipe, and in most tomato recipes, for a few reasons. You can water it down a bit if you want, but for a good pizza sauce, it's great thick.
Take our lead.
Don't cook the sauce. This isn't just for convenience. A no-cook sauce will actually taste better on your pizza, giving you that fresh, zippy tomato flavor, even after it has been baked in a hot oven.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.